Time domain concept, frequency domain concept. Main energy transformation ways can be identified as mechanical waves and electromagnetic waves. Example for mechanical waves are water waves and sound waves. Example for electromagnetic waves are the visible light, microwaves, and X-rays. Waves are formed by the vibration of the matter. Vibration of water form water waves, and the vibration of air formed sound waves. Also, the mechanical waves cannot travel through vacuum. Changing electric field and magnetic fields form electromagnetic waves. Electromagnetic waves can travel without medium, means can go through vacuum. Scientist James Clerk Maxwell developed a theory to explain electromagnetic waves. He noticed electric field and magnetic field can couple together to form electromagnetic waves. In this picture, you can see the propagation of electromagnetic wave, and in electromagnetic wave electric field oscillates in the y direction, and the magnetic field oscillates in the z directions, and the wave propagate into the x direction. Electrodynamics is the theory of how electromagnetic radiation interact with matter on an atomic level. Electron absorb energy and it jumps into higher orbits, and the electron back to the existing state can release electromagnetic waves. Now you can see the range of the electromagnetic waves. The low frequency and the low quantum energy, uh, the low wavelength electromagnetic waves are starts from the radio waves and the television, microwaves, and so on. And the high energy levels included the high frequency and the short wavelength electromagnetic waves are the gamma rays, X-rays, and the ultraviolet. Visible light also an electromagnetic wave type, and it's in the middle of this range. As we said, by changing the electric field and the magnetic field can form electromagnetic waves. In dipole antenna, use this same concept to to form electromagnetic waves. You can see changing the electric supply form electromagnetic wave in the dipole antenna. It's changing over and over, and then form electromagnetic waves. We can explain by switching this electric field in dipole antenna how the electromagnetic waves are forming. It's actually a sine wave. The time domain concept is the variation of amplitude of signal with time, or the system evaluated according to its state with time. This is amplitude, and this is time, and we can draw the sine wave according to the time domain concept like this. And the frequency domain concept is the system evaluated according to its response for different frequencies, such as Fourier transformation is a method to transform the sine waves of the time domain concepts to a frequency domain concept. I'll take one example for that. Roughly, I draw one wave, and this wave contains different waves. And we can transform these waves into a Fourier transformation like this. Different frequencies contains that the one wave, and we can, in this graph, we can draw that frequencies like this. So we explained electromagnetic waves and the time domain concept and the frequency domain concept in this video. So let's meet in the next video to discuss about the sine wave and what is the frequency, and also the characteristics of the sine wave. Thank you for joining with IT Hack. Bye.